Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. This is June 2020, 13 variant, question number 5. So let's see how we can do it. First of all, if the question, look carefully, this is a pulley, okay, and cord. Cord is going on around a pulley. Where's the pulley? A pulley is this, you can see, and cord is this P to B, B to A to P. This black color is called cord, and we have to find out the length of a cord. All right. So first of all, if we look at carefully, we have a center O. So we can see that this is a triangle, and I'm going to make this triangle right angle triangle. This letter O, this letter A, this letter P, this is 13, this is 5. Using this, I can find this alpha, and this is alpha as well, as you can see. And this AP I can find by Pythagoras theorem. So let's try to solve it, and I hope so. Inshallah, this is not a hard job, and I will tell you what is a plan of action. Okay, wait a minute. So I make a plan here. All of you attentive, please. Job number 1, I'm going to find. So in front of angle, this is called is opposite. In front of 90, this is called hypotenuse. And formula is a hypotenuse square equal to opposite square plus adjacent square. And hypotenuse is 13. Opposite, you can take anyone, but in front of angle, this is called opposite. So I'm writing AP square. And adjacent is a 5. And when I bring 5 square on this side, 169 minus 25 gives you 144. And 144 root gives us 12 centimeter. So Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen, this length I got it. Now I'm going to find this alpha. So let's start. I can find any way, but soka to our formula use. I think adjacent by hypotenuse is a good choice. So cos theta, cos alpha is adjacent by hypotenuse. And when I find cos inverse 5 by 13, okay, students, actually, what is the plan of action? I am looking for this angle, my students, this angle. Full angle in a circle is in degree 360 degree, but in radians 2 pi. So full is 2 pi, but I'm looking this angle. So how to find this angle? 2 pi minus 2 alpha. Why 2 alpha? Because these 2 alphas, okay? So let's start. So if I say that, so what is it? Okay, I call this longer angle as a theta. Okay, so let's add a theta. So I talk about, once again, attentive please. Look, this is our arc length. All right, I make it again. Or okay, and this is theta, I call theta, and this is 5, radius is a 5. So theta is how much? 2 pi minus 2 alpha, or you can say 2 pi minus 2 times 2 alpha value is this. All right, I can type in directly, or I can get the answer and plug in here. But anyway, if I type this is a whole in calculator or separate, no problem at all. So or I just do a help. Okay, this is coming 1.176. I can plug in this value even here. So this answer into 2, and what answer I got it? Subtract from 2 pi, and I am getting finally 3.9312. This is a theta, radians I got it. I can write 2 dp, 3 dp, or 4 dp, no problem at all. Okay, now I think those students, how to get this arc length, all students know S is equals to R theta. So arc length formula, which is R theta. So AB arc length, I am getting R is 5, theta is 3.9312. So if I multiply into 3.9312 times to 5, I'm getting 19. I'm getting 19.656 centimeter. So what is the chord length, students? Chord length. Come back to the back diagram. So AP length and PB length are equals to each other. You ask me why, sir? Because whenever we draw a circle and we draw two tangents, and for your knowledge, whenever we have two tangents, so P to A and P to B, these gaps are equals to each other. So if this is a 12, is also 12. So Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen, I can say 12 plus 12 plus 19.65. If I add plus 24, and an answer is coming, final answer 43.7 centimeter. So Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen, I believe you got a point.